Telegram, this channel cannot be displayed because it was used to spread salt. If you see the error message, this channel cannot be displayed because it was used to spread on Telegram. Don't worry, in today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix it on both iPhone and Android. Before you start troubleshooting, make sure that Telegram itself hasn't posted any updates regarding channel issues or suspensions. Telegram may temporarily block certain channels for maintenance or legal reasons. Simply what you can do is check the official Telegram channels or website for any announcements about ongoing issues. Now, if the channel is important to you, try reaching out to the channel's admin directly. Sometimes they might have more information or even be able to help resolve the issue from the end. Tap on the channel name, then tap on Info or Contact Admin. If the admin responds, they might be able to give you an update on why the channel is restricted or banned. Now, if you're on Android, you can simply clear the cache of Telegram. What you can do is go to settings, find Telegram and tap on storage and click on clear cache. If it didn't work, simply what you need to do is check for updates. Make sure Telegram is fully updated. An outdated app version might cause issues displaying channels. Head over to App Store and search for Telegram. And if there's an update available, simply update it. If none of the above steps work, try using a VPN. If the channel is region blocked or restricted, using a VPN can help bypass this restriction. This is especially useful if the content you're trying to access is only blocked in certain countries. And there you go. Hopefully these steps helped fix this channel cannot be displayed because it was used to spread error on Telegram.